Bismillah, I want to show you SCF calculation by using Quantum Espresso. So this is at first you need the batch file. So this is the batch file. I can show you what is the batch file here. I wrote, so edit in Notepad. If I go there, you can see this is the batch file. You need one in and one out. Okay. Secondly, you need one input file. So SCF input is this file. I already made this SCF input file. So these two files you need to run SCF calculation using Quantum Espresso. Now I go to my folder to start the calculation from here. So I make the right click in my folder where my all the input file batch file is there. So this I click on open in terminal. Then I see the black color, you can see the black color screen is coming on, and then my folder, this is my folder, new folder QE. Then if you want to run the calculation, you need to put the dot, then slash, then my full file name was mos2 cu, then again yes, then if you put the tab calculation, yes, this file is appearing, so it is coming. If I put enter, you can see this is my batch file. It is coming, it is showing the batch file. So if you see this blinking this cursor is blinking, that means that your reaction is going on. If you see immediately this again new folder QE, that means some cache file can be created. But if you don't see long time, you need to check this one, this writing is appearing or not, then you understand that your calculation is going on. So your output file is creating. So I can show you, this is my output file. It has been creating, or it is creating still now. So this is my output file. When the calculation is finished, you can see that job done. This kind of writing will be appear on the output file. I can show you another calculation where I already done. This is H2 SCF. So you see the job done. This kind of message you will see end of the output file, and then you will understand that your calculation is successful, is finished. Okay, thank you for this time.